let's consider state legislatures are banning books, limiting or banning women from reproductive health care, changing school curriculums, banning Black studies and LGBTQ plus studies, banning shameful historical truths so that some will not be made uncomfortable, banning DEI. We are yelling and not talking to one another. Political candidates, for the first time in our history, refused to accept legitimate election results. And on January 6th, 2021, the world held its collective breath as we watched as angry rioters attacked the cradle of democracy, our U.S. Capitol. Our college campuses, many of them, have become battlegrounds of anger and violent protests versus a place of civil debate, passionate disagreement, and respectful dissent. And for some of a certain age and of generations gone by, they see their revered country and freedoms being taken away. They see conservative values or their religious beliefs being silenced by a new so-called wokeness. They see the rise of diversity, equity, and inclusion as a threat to well-established American order of the way things used to be and the way they should remain. They feel entitled to take freedoms from others while at the same time demanding that individual liberties and personal freedoms never be taken from them. On the other hand, for a new generation of Americans, the students that we teach, they see social and restorative justice as a demand that must be urgently met. They see protest as what Dr. King described as the language of the unheard. They see questioning authority, pushing back, and canceling or doling out consequences to those with whom they disagree, find offensive, or believe to be engaging in hate speech as just desserts. That is where we are. Polar opposites. And I, for one, and I suspect many of you, do not believe that we can coexist with this standoff much longer. We all know that something is amiss in this country, even if we do not speak it out loud. Something's got to give, folks. Somebody must step up and lead. Somebody must come and save us from, well, us. But let me help you, my fellow citizens. Nobody is coming to save us or fix us but us.